Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel CSQL. In this video series, I am going to discuss about some important points of SQL Server architecture and SQL Server databases. Also in this video, I am discussing each topic as interview oriented. You can learn each topic as well as you can easily present SQL Server related interview questions answers smartly and simply. So if you are preparing for an SQL Server interview or you want to learn more about SQL Server, you must watch this video. SQL Server architecture is a common interview question for most of the interview. If you watch this video, you will get good knowledge about the SQL Server architecture, and if you are attending an interview, you can present easily about the question and you will be impressed in front of the interviewer. SQL Server architecture is a big topic, but in this video, I am talking about the essential points only. Before going to SQL Server, we need to know what is SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system, that is RDBMS. Also, it works as the client-server architecture. While answering this question, there are two more questions will arise. That is, what is RDBMS? What is client-server architecture? RDBMS. You can answer for this question different ways. We can check some of the answers. A software system that enables you to define, create, maintain, and control access to the relational databases. That means we can define the database, create the database, also we can maintain the database using an RDBMS system. Also, the software used to store, manage, query, and retrieve data stored in the relational database is called RDBMS. We can store the data, manage the data, retrieve that data using the query. That is called relational database management system. The RDBMS provides an interfaces between users and application and the databases as well as administrative functions more managing data storages. Next, client-server architecture. Then what is client-server architecture? Client-server database architecture, which main clients are connected to a common database server to access the data. Database is storing in a single system and user can access this centralized data from every system that is connected to this network depend on the permission. In this video, I am discussing about following points of SQL Server architecture. That is mainly network protocols, database engine, and SQL OS. The network protocols contain shared memory, TCP, IP, named pipes, and database engine contains storage engine, relational engine, and SQL OS. So each and every points there are different components, and I am discussing each points in simple ways. There are main points I am covering this video series, and I will add more points in video series in future. So please support and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.